Troubleshooting a Furrion RV stereo. Power problems. Power problems can disrupt your enjoyment of your Furrion RV stereo. These issues can be frustrating and may seem complex at first. Thankfully, most power problems have simple solutions that you can manage yourself. This section will help you understand and fix common power issues. Stereo not turning on. If your Furrion RV stereo is not turning on, start by checking the power source. Ensure the RV's battery is charged and supplying power. Look at the fuse box for blown fuses. Replace any blown fuses with the correct type. Confirm the power switch is in the on position. Sometimes a loose connection can cause power issues. Check all wiring connections to ensure they are secure. If the stereo still doesn't turn on, the problem may lie within the unit itself. Intermittent power. Intermittent power problems can be tricky to diagnose. First, inspect the power cable for any visible damage. A damaged cable can cause the stereo to lose power intermittently. Check the wiring connections for any loose or corroded parts. Clean any corrosion with a contact cleaner. Sometimes the issue could be with the RV's power supply. Ensure the RV is receiving a consistent power flow. If the problem persists, it might be an internal issue with the stereo. In such cases, contacting a professional for further diagnosis might be necessary. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.